Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Yeah, share political parties, more campaigns. They say last hour na mu no. Or wrap it up campaign.
The New Patriotic Party we need election in 2016 on the basis of allegations of corruption. Omoye editor John Dramani Mama. Ufa book we the agreement a social contract Omoni Ghana for a communal. What kind the aspect of infrastructure? Omar raises issues are very serious. And in my estimation, if we say by now, they would have at least unraveled some of these things and confirm say will be high inflated contract in Ghana. As we speak now, you are a media man, a media woman. Catch them and say what is say Obi and an engineer be work because contract any minister near award contract. Your engineers are omuye evaluation, quantity surveys any the account or moody backup boom. Actually say the cost of the project will be see this. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as part of the deceitful conductor audit in 2016, which the Ghanaian people gave him the mandate, you know. What Chire said, the aspect of corruption, page 134, it started from page 133. But the interesting part, I mean, page 134. Well, see, the corruption under John Mahama's NDC government is exemplified by A, rampant contract pricing inflation. We lost power. He came into office. He was asked about that report. When he has forgotten. He said that at Flagstaff House. It is on record. Who Google at least you see fire for fire. Songo na ebisa sa question. What was I can say rampant contract price inflation. I am making the point here. 4 years now. On the 7th, we are going to vote. 4 years. He has not been able to prove these allegations. Or yeah, Etia John Dramani Mama. So Martin Elimisa Amidu. Time our opposition. Omampeni Nana Addo Osi Owini Obefano as special prosecutor.
In the Wanka.
Okay, my main
so yeah, citizen vigilante. Okay. That was what Ghanaians knew him.
Wanka. Okay, make a child dia Gabi Ekaye.
Okay.
So that at least you understand that I don't just say for the sake of it. So that at the end of the day, you know, you don't create an impression. Say I just sit and then see Gabi, Twitter Gabi was see why I love Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. He's a principled patriot. In opposition, he told some of us privately that he wanted a Martin Amidu kind of fearless, principled, knowledgeable, patriotic, and honest character to head the office of special prosecutor.
But sir, he did not say it categorically, say or no.
Was he there?
He wanted somebody with that character.
So at the end of the day, all your special prosecutor.
Say be out here when you be and he has to come.
So there's nobody within the MPP to help him fight corruption unless he picks somebody from the NDC. It speaks volumes of the characters in MPP. It speaks volumes. So if or see say initially we see Wanka, Makai dia ni cousin Eka, then you are looking for excuses to give him to. But that is just by the way. The issue no say ono anka say Gabi Ochirda you can say Martin Amidu was say no kreka for nipa ndada. He's a very principled person. Now Martin Elimisa Amidu allegation say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo interfere woni juma oye no. But me enyemi wanwa esan say this is a report African Watch and I want to quote an aspect Efa Ken Ofori-Atta, and as a result of that Yepamu chairman any general secretary of the New Patriotic Party, the tale of financial mismanagement. Chairman Paul Afoko institute 5-member committee to investigate mismanagement of finance procedure MP aspirant to Yama MPP for. Sasikanu Chairman Afoko can say they misused that money and he thought that there's a need for a verification and an investigation. Na yenko hu say a crime ben na omufa yes away. When he came before the committee, Nana Oyinto committee no. Wakachire Nana Oyinto committee, the national chairman told the committee that upon assumption of office, his administration inherited a plethora of bank accounts spread over several banks, including one at the Prudential Bank that was operated by Ken Ofori-Atta and Kelly Gajiku, who happened not to be officers nor workers of the party. Unquote. This is a report. African Watch published here. And this is African Watch entitled Special Report on the New Patriotic Party Crisis. African Watch magazine, April 2016. Now, anything Ken Ofori-Atta Owumunu, you expect, say, Ubehu Nana Addo defending. Nana Addo, after this committee recommended actions against Omwa Mfamra Kwanso Enye Niyama according to the party's constitution, or instigated the removal of Paul Afoko, the removal of Japan General Secretary, or instigated. And so me and Yami Wanwa say, Matami to say why investigation in a Japan deal. One who say Kronu Ewomu. And on the basis of that, he could have proceeded with investigation. A criminal investigation. The Yami Wanwa said, Nana Addo in this manifesto, said, let me quote aspect of it for you to see. See, that is page 135. That the MPP, let me get the aspect well. See, the MPP will fight corruption. The MPP will fight corruption head on through preventive, detective, corrective, and punitive actions. So preventive, 4 years now. Maybe I'm a catcher. Then Nana Addo bokro. In fact, account because a married deal. Oma increase omo disika to our $800 million. Amudi kanwunu. The call parliament. It was him. Was signing the executive approval or the ma I say young for call parliament. And found call cabinet because or pre or pesasikano. A minority in parliament that raises critical questions in respect of that. Who Sanu said Nungwasi banu was say my Pamu energy minister. Na energy minister and Kani Busia for. So what Pamuno Bache Jaku. Yebisa was he was misled. It means that Bache Jaku na misleading or my executive approval. Who misled the president to give executive approval on a Japan? That's a question that Nana Addo himself has to answer. But let me conclude by saying, say, this statement, this is a statement Omampeni Nana Addo a issue in reaction to their citizen vigilante Kayeno. Number 12. Mekan Amau. Was say at page 2 of your letter, you create an impression that you had uncovered serious corruption and corruption-related offenses regarding the Japan transaction, in respect of which you intended to open full investigation as a special prosecutor. This statement is most disingenuous and is not supported by the fact. You never expressed an intention to the president to open an investigation into the matter. Indeed, at paragraph 33 of your letter to the president, dated 16th October 2020, you say, this assessment does not constitute an investigation, even though formal investigations for the suspected commission of corruption and corruption-related offenses may arise from this corruption risk assessment, unquote. Now, Martin Alemisa Bensa Kaiser Amidu, it does not lie in his mouth to tell Omampeni say Meko Akotwaso. Mra Odidi Jumanu Mranu can say he's not supposed to be under the control and influence of any authority. So for the president to say, Matiami the Nkachire to say, obey criminal investigation into this, very strange. This is a man we are told say when you're corrupt. The end of his statement, can say, Matiami do accuse the president of being a judge in his own court. Now, let me quote 40. Finally, you also accuse the president of being a judge in his own court. This is the unkindest cut of all. You did not and have not alleged that the president is or could be the subject of adverse finding or investigation arising from your assessment report of the Japan transaction. Unquote. 2. The president gave executive approval for this project, this Japan deal. It means that Onu, having been elected and trusted with the sovereignty of the people of Ghana, Yedimanu, he has a duty of care to ensure said Niema Yedibeba Ninchanu, a Niema obe serve the interest, the collective good of the people of this country. But 1 year, sir, what the clean bill of lading say, young from parliament. Yet parliament now. Matamidu, assessment. Assessment, kokobo, catch you say, Bonnie, was Niamanu. Now, say, or proceed, investigation, no. Ehona obeti Ken Oforiatta. Ohona obeti Gabi Ochidaku because you are 250,000 ADMA ni company, law firm. No. So this one is assessment. Adentina Omampeni Danado. Air Force say Chinchina Matamidu NG the response from Ken Oforiatta and Fan Count. Any investigation because Sakratoni and Team from Court.
But according to him, all trust our reports, Ken Oforiatta visited him in his house.
Ken Oforiatta visited him to beg him. But he does not.
I did not hear of beg. He said he visited him. He came here.
Missy, Maminka Chirel said. What he interviewer or grantima CTFM.
Yes.
Now CTFM can say Ombe Bossa interview 12 meeting. Wamambo. But one who say what he made the voice in Babonti. So don't joke with him. And he said, don't push me. Then I woho. And they are now trying to raise the issue of swearing the oath of secrecy. Who swear oath of secrecy as a public officer? And you say, yeah, Bonnie, editor Ghana for obey Dean.
That's Alaji. That's CP. I was here for me 19 was so egwa utie no na my member Ernest so Ernest
Martin Hamid. Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.